Jim Cramer's here on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange answering your social media questions on Facebook and Twitter. Jim, let's start with a company to report earnings, Microsoft. What do you see heading into it?
No, hashtag Cramer Obviously, I can't just say I like Microsoft. This is the Twitter problem. That's why we come here to do this. I think Microsoft's moved up a lot, but I think Windows 10 is very good. I actually wish they would buy Salesforce in order to be able to get to that cloud growth, of which we know from IBM is so key, and Adobe is very key. They really do need to make an acquisition, but they'll have good cloud growth too. At 43, 44, you had maybe something that's really terrific. At 47, you have a stock that could go to 48, 49. I do expect a decent quarter because Windows 10's got the wind at its back.
Question from Facebook. What about LendingTree? Your thoughts there? It seems like it gets momentum ahead of earnings and the company's beat last couple quarters.
You know, look, I'm a Wells Fargo guy. I've learned my lesson that when I go out on a limb on a LendingTree, could be good, could not. I don't want to keep anybody out of it. I don't want to put anybody in it.
WhiteWave, some downgrades, still room to move.
Yes, Goldman goes to a sell. Now, she hasn't liked it the whole way up, Judy Hong. I do respect her work. I think the stock gets knocked down. I think maybe the stock gets knocked down hard. And I think that is because right now she's conflating the idea that a Whole Foods and a Fresh Market isn't doing well with the portfolio that WhiteWave has, which is a plant-based food portfolio, which is exactly what people want. In other words, they want liquid plant-based foods, and WhiteWave is the place to go. This company will be taken over if it goes any lower.
Horizon Pharma, is it a buy at this level?
Horizon Pharma requires price increases of some magnitude. That was something that worked until we got into a political year. I think every time the Democrats speak, this stock is going to get hit again. And same thing with Valiant, which is trying to change its stripes. It's just too hard right now.
Do you like Radius Health?
Radius Health is a company that is just going to be trading on approvals. The approvals are going to be good.
They call it a baby Berkshire Markle. Does it have the potential to run like a Berkshire Hathaway?
I never look at things like this. Berkshire Hathaway runs like Berkshire Hathaway, so I say buy Berkshire Hathaway.
How about Weyerhaeuser? Is it a housing play?
Yes, it is, but the housing plays I'm recommending are, I like Lennar, and I like very much Toll Brothers.
And finally, any thoughts on Box?
On Box, Aaron Levy, it's very interesting. There's a piece today about how Dropbox is overvalued versus Box. I've been saying that forever. What I didn't count on was Box would also shrink, but there's Aaron Levy buying stock inside. The IBM deal is a very, very good one. IBM should just buy them. IBM should have bought Pure, too. It bothers me. IBM is spending way too much money on the dividend and the buyback and not nearly enough on the future.
Jim and Cramer, thanks. See, this is where all those social media questions get answered. On Facebook, find him at Jim Cramer. On Twitter, he's at Jim Cramer. Use hashtag CramerQ. I'm Rhonda Schaffler for The Street.
To get more of Jim Cramer's investing ideas, as well as a peek at other stocks he owns in his multi-million-dollar charitable trust portfolio, subscribe to Action Alerts Plus. Sign up for Action Alerts Plus at GetCramerEdge.com. That's GetCramerEdge.com.